the decoration for their final function. This decoration is quite great. Even in BMC, we didn't have such good decoration. And the spot on thing is that it's done at an evening time when the sun rays are at the minimum. BMC should adapt something like this. Their Hall of Fame, I guess, where they have attached all the photos of multiple years, which is quite interesting. Someone decoration.